Hi students, Dr. Williams here with a few announcements for week 6. So at this point you all have turned in a full first draft of your research essay. And during week 6 you're going to continue to work on this research essay. So I will be reading through your essay drafts and providing you feedback by the end of the week. However, you should be reviewing your work and revising it as necessary, and with a special emphasis on how to better incorporate the sources for your paper. And so the submodules for this week really gets into quoting and paraphrasing, tips and techniques for incorporating sources, and then you'll also do some grammar work on pronouns. There are 2 discussions for this week, and one of them actually is something that I know some of you have struggled with, is how you refer to the same source in multiple sentences. Do you have to have a source at the end of each sentence, so on and so forth? And so you'll do a little work on that via the discussions, and then you'll complete the biweekly grammar lab that we started during week 5 on other punctuation marks. Please make note that there are quite a few things to read through this week, and all of them have to deal with how you can better use sources in your writing. And so you want to make sure you go through that. And then finally, by Sunday, there is a quiz on APA that is required, and so you want to make sure that you do that. As always, please work through all of the submodules as they provide you with the guidance and information necessary to successfully complete the course assignments. And as always, if you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to email me or to post them in the Ask the Professor forum. I am looking forward to reading your essay drafts, and I'll be in touch. Have a good week.